put my lips on. We put the lips on. I need to do a scrub on these lips. This is as good as it's gonna get. And scene. Hello, this is Amber Wood, and welcome to my video. Today we are doing a BoxyLuxe unboxing. This is my second BoxyLuxe, which is the larger package from Boxycharm. The first video, I got some really great stuff, and so I thought I'd do it again. The BoxyLuxe comes every 3 months, and you pay just a little bit extra to get some extra products, but usually it's pretty good stuff. This is my second time, and so far I have still been impressed, depending on how today goes. It looks good, but do they work? So let's see if they're Amberrific or not. So first off, this is the theme, Boxycharm Getaway. It's time to get away, get away. It's time to get away, get away. Boop, boop, boop. Which is why I wore my little vacay shirt. This is one I just wore a couple weeks ago. I was in Puerto Vallarta, and so I wore this shirt. It was very cute. So I thought it kind of went with the theme. I'm not sure all the products go with like travel and stuff like that, so I'm not really sure what that's about, but let's take a look. So the first product that I got was a Dr. Brandt Clean Biotic pH Balance Yogurt Cleanser with Chlorophyll. So I'm not real sure what that's all about. I guess I need to put plants on my face. Oh, it's not open. Open says me. When I open new products, you guys, always keep tweezers handy. It's really gonna help you out. Okay. Now this cleanser, let's take a little look-see. It says it's retailed at $35. Prebiotic multitasking cleansing yogurt melts away grime, makeup, and excess oil for skin that is hydrated and never stripped. Let the plants do the dirty work. So let's see what it feels like. Ooh, well, it feels very nice. I need a towel. It feels very nice. I don't want to take off my makeup though right now because I'm trying to make a video. So let me get a paper towel. I didn't prepare. So what I'll do is I'll actually try this and put it on my Instagram stories. So make sure you tune into that so you can see how it works or not. Next product. I was kind of excited about this one because the spray that I usually use is the Mario Badescu Skincare. This is a facial spray with aloe, chamomile, and lavender, and take a look. Ooh, empty, empty. So what I usually do is use this before my makeup, just kind of a refresher, wake up the skin, prep it for the makeup, that kind of thing. But I'm almost out. And I went the other day to Sephora and they were out of it as well. So it was very timely to get a Radiant Dew Skin and Company Truffle Therapy Illuminating Skin Refresh Mist. That is a mouthful. That's what she said. Hey, this is retailed also at $35. So let's see. Ah, ooh, it smells. I don't know what it smells like. It smells weird. It doesn't smell like truffles. Although I don't know what truffles are supposed to smell like. Are they meaning like truffle like candy or truffle like mushrooms? I don't know. It's supposed to illuminate the skin, soothe, protect, glow-inducing tonic. Am I glowing? I don't know. Let me try it again. I don't know. I mean, I feel like it's a little glowy, but I already had highlighter on, so I don't know. Feels good. It's very refreshing. I'll keep using it. It looks kind of a milky fluid. So it's not just like clear. Like this one is like a clear fluid. This one looks kind of like milky, but it looks lovely. It smells interesting. I don't know. Oh, I do kind of feel, well, again, that may be my highlighter. I don't know, you guys. I don't know, but I'm gonna use it. So we'll see how that goes. Next, we got another product. Let me get my tweezers. Another product from the No Problem Touch in Soul. Can y'all see that? No Problem. That's always hard for me to say. and Touch and Soul is the company. A couple months ago, Boxycharm sent me a primer, which you can see I've been using. I really like this primer. It kind of reminded me of like the Smashbox photo finish. Doesn't look the same, but it kind of felt like that a little bit. So this is a Calendula of, I don't know what that says, Officinalis Prime Essence Flower Extract. So is this a primer? What is this? Prime Essence. I don't know what that means. What's an essence? It's just an essence of primer? Okay, it says, hold on, let's look at the stuff. It says, $23. Let your makeup stay a while with your new Touch and Soul no Problem Prime Essence infused with Calendula Officinalis Flower Extract. This primer tightens up your pores, keeping your skin silky and smooth. So I guess it is, but it's a different, okay, so it unscrews. Ooh, I'm gonna put it, oh, it's very liquidy. It's very nice. Ooh, very nice. Ooh, ah, feels good. Doesn't smell weird. No smell. Sometimes, like if a product has a smell, it's like too much. This one, the smell was different but nice, and I don't even know how to describe it. Don't even know how to describe it. This one doesn't have a smell. So, but I liked the other primer, so I'm encouraged that I will like this one as well. It feels nice. I will definitely give it a try. You know, that's all you can do. That's what I'm saying. We got Living Proof Full Dry Volume Blast. Like, y'all look, this is like full size giant product. What is this? It is $29. I do like a dry shampoo. The one that I use religiously is Batiste. Love all the fun smells and all of that. This is a styling spray, creates instant volume and texture, light as air for big lasting results on dry hair. Okay, well, let's give it a shot. What do? I don't know. Oh. So is it like, ooh, it does smell like hairspray. Ooh, y'all, that does work. Like volume, look at that. Well, I don't know. It smells good though. That's nice. What do y'all think? Have y'all used this before? I don't know what styling spray is, like other than hairspray. Like, I don't get it. Lighter yet more voluminous. I can never say that word. Than industry standard ingredients for superior weightless volume and texture. Instantly transform fine flat hair into beautiful full volume without crunch or stiffness that lasts. Because usually I'd have to scrunch it up, but I don't know, y'all. What do you think? Does this stuff work? I'll keep working with it and see what we think. That could be like a mom saver, because like the dry shampoo is for sure like mom-tastic, because I don't have time to wash all this hair. The washing is not the problem. Let me rephrase. The drying and styling is the problem for all of this hair. So this may be another mom saver. So I don't know, you know, I'll give it a shot. Another product in there is the Pharmacy Honeymoon Glow Night Serum. What is it? It looks like it's got like honey stuff in it. Oh, honeymoon. I've been hearing things about honey. I do love a face serum. I'm gonna open this up. It's got like a honeycomb design on the top, super cute. I don't know, my thing just went off, and so I don't know if that even got recorded. I'm very excited to try this. Looks great, feels great. I hope it works, period, and it won't close. Moving on. Okay, I'm kind of excited about this one, but also kind of scared. It looks like mascara, but it has like a curler thing on there. So what does it say? Trestique Good Vibes Mascara, $25. Curling, lengthening, and volumizing. All-in-one lash curler tool and lash enhancing mascara. I don't understand. Oh, that's the mascara. Okay. But how do I use the curler thing? Ah, it says flip. Oh, looky. But that's so thin. Like, how do I use that? I don't feel like that's gonna get all of my lashes. So you just do a few at a time? This is weird. I have never seen anything like this before. I'm like scared to use that. Oh, this is weird. I mean, it could be good, like on the go kind of a thing. So like for the whole travel theme, this would be good. But my only issue is that it doesn't, oh, I thought I just ripped my lashes out. My only issue is that it doesn't get all of your lashes at one time. It only gets like a section. So you have to do a section at a time, which is a little weird. Let's see what the mascara is like. So the wand looks like that. I already have some mascara on, but I don't mind adding a bit. So, I mean, it's mascara. Let's just say that. Like, it's not anything where I'm like, ooh, so cool. But I do like the concept. So I may throw this in my, you know, bag when I'm traveling or going out for the day or whatever. I'm just a little worried about this curler situation. Where did it go? Half curler, they're calling it. A half curler. What do y'all think about this? I mean, watch it. You gotta pull this down and then it curls like that. It's interesting. I've never seen anything like that, so I appreciate the innovation. You know, everybody's gotta have some kind of, you know, something new. This is Dominique Cosmetics. It says it's a lip gloss. Lemonade lip gloss. $17. Hydrating shine, blah de blah de blah. Let's see. Ooh, packaging is pretty. I don't know that I've ever used this company before. It's kind of a peachy nude, which would actually go well with what I'm wearing. It smells like candy or vanilla or something. It's nice. It doesn't feel like sticky, which is one of the reasons I don't wear a lot of glosses, because I don't like the ones that feel sticky. You know, and then you get your hair caught in it and all that. I like that. What do y'all think? It's pretty. This lipstick I have on is Kylie and KKW collaboration. It's called Twinning. That's the lipstick I have on, which is a very nude color. I like it. Feels good, smells good. Hey, I like it. I love it. I want some more of it. One of the cutest things that came in this box, now been dropped, was in this cute little bag, PYT, pretty young thing. Mini Turbo on the go dryer, which I dropped. Has a retail of $85. I hope I didn't just break it. I did plug it in to see if it works. Look at how cute. And it's really kind of that soft material. It's like a baby pink. Super cute for traveling. I took it with me on my trip because I did get my box right before I left. I took it on my trip, but the resort we were at had a blow dryer. So I ended up just using that, and then I really didn't even need it because, you know, you're on vacation, you just throw your hair up in a ponytail or whatever and go. So I didn't use it that much, but I'm definitely going to be using this for travel. Super cute. Let's see the power situation. What is happening? I plugged it in. Okay, that's a fail. It had one of those buttons. Oh! Cute. Okay, that was the high. Okay, it's not bad, y'all. For like a tiny little blower. It doesn't have, it just has a high and a low. It doesn't have like a cool setting or anything fancy like that. But it comes with a cute little bag. And then in here, there was another little attachment for like, what is this one for? Like scrunching. And then it also has the direct one, which I use when I do my hair straight. So really cute. I was really excited to get that, especially since they had already sent us a little flat iron for travel as well. Super cute. Now, if you're one though that needs like, you know, a blast, I keep having the hiccups. If you need like a blast of air, that may not be for you, but like I said, it's just for like travel, you know, not for everyday use necessarily. Now, the last thing, and probably in my opinion, the best thing that was in the box this month is the Tarteist Pro Glow 3 Blush Palette. Cheek palette, excuse me. I'm very into blush palettes these days. I have a few. I have the Cover FX, which I also got from Boxycharm. It's a face palette, Perfector face palette, which I love. I did take on my trip, and it was perfect because it has everything you need. It has blush, bronzer, highlighter. And this is, I think, kind of the same thing. Now the packaging, super cute. Look at this. Oh, look. I think there was a couple different colors that they offered. This one is a very pale, you can see very pale pink, and then this one kind of has a shimmer in it. There's two highlighters, very subtle difference in the color. We've got a bronzer here, and then this one's got a bit of a shimmer in it. So it's really beautiful. It's got two mirrors on each side. Really cute. This would be cute for travel. I guess I should get back in the frame. This would be really cute for travel as well. It's a bit heavy though. That's one thing that I would probably, I mean, they had to do some work with the packaging, so I'm not sure how they could change that because it does feel very luxurious, which I like. But as far as travel goes, you know, you want stuff that you can just throw in your bag that's light, you know, that kind of stuff. So it is a little bit heavy for that, but I would still take it, you know. Depends on how you feel about that kind of stuff. But I think it's lovely. So what I'll do is, again, I'll do some swatching and or just try it on my face. I'm not sure how much swatching tells you, but I'll try it on and put it on my Instagram stories. You guys, if you like this video, please give it a like down below. Subscribe to my channel if you'd like to see more stuff like this. And thanks to Boxycharm, you know, they are doing it. They are doing it up. And if you have not joined, I used to do Ipsy, which was cute, but it was just all small little samples. I wasn't really getting the most out of that I have been getting out of Boxycharm since I joined. And since I joined with the BoxyLuxe, I really get excited when I know it's coming, because it's like, oh my God, what's gonna be in there? And it's huge, and you just get a lot of products. This one was 9 products. I just had to pay a little bit of extra money, and it's only every 3 months. So I really do enjoy their box. I highly recommend it if you haven't joined up yet. So that's all I have to say about it. Amberrific, some of the products, I'm not sure if we like them yet. Like I said, I'll try them out, put them on my Instagram. So please go follow me there. You guys, thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye.